Hi. So today's topic is about making a teleportation system. So I know it's a very different idea. So I was trying to make a teleportation system and at least trying to make an imaginary one, which I always do. So recently I have watched a series a month ago. The series name is Sisyphus, and it's a Korean series and it is about a time loop, but it is very quite fun to watch actually. So in that series I watched that there's an uploader where people are coming from future to the past because in future everything has been destroyed, so they want to go to the past and enjoy the life on earth. So that's the whole movie is about. But at the end of the movie, even after the main leads try to stop happening all of this, they couldn't stop it and the same things happen again. So that's why I hate the loop things, because it seems like there's no way of stopping it, and there are so many possibilities that loop thing happens anyhow. If I was to die tomorrow, I will die tomorrow anyhow. So the way for me dying tomorrow could be different. The reasons could be very different for that, but so that certain event is going to happen. I don't totally believe on that, but I don't seem to like loop things, and I have watched bunch of loop movies. I also watched one South Indian movie where there was this cops and policemen who are stuck in a jungle, and then there's this very big snake statue, and around that place, the time actually there happens a time loop. So in that place, that statue, it just believed that statue can control the time. So the people from the past were able to connect to people in the future, and even after that, main hero saves everything. At the very end of the movie, the same things happen again. So I really seem to hate end of movies. But that's not the topic. I think I've just given reviews on series and movies, which is not a topic at all. So after that, I was thinking of making a time machine, which I technically found is not a good idea. But just because of watching Sisyphus, I got an idea that we can make an uploader and a downloader that is there. So we can make a teleportation system at least, because I know it's a very different idea and very hard to make as well. But you know what? It is maybe possible because there happen a quantum entanglement topic, which I don't actually understand in a very proper length, which I need to study as well. But I will do it, of course, because I don't want to give wrong information to anyone. But I think quantum entanglement is something which will help us in making a teleportation system. I've done some research on it, so there's actually scientists were able to at least send one atom information to the space from Earth. So if that's possible, everything's possible. Because when computers are being made, they when the first message was sent, they only sent the single beat of message, like just the word L. The whole word login is going to be sent to another system, but that didn't even went there. Just the word L went there, and the system crashed them. So if that's possible, and now we are here and we are just sending bunch of messages in a fraction of seconds or milliseconds, then I think that's very possible that we can make teleportation system. So my idea was to make a teleportation system with respect to time. And if we can make a teleportation system with respect to time, that's going to be a time machine. But for that we need time as in dimension here. If time could exist as a dimension, then I think we can make a teleportation system. I mean, we need to make a teleportation system here, just for teleportation work, of course. But if we are able to make a teleportation system, then we can upgrade it to respect with time, and boom, I think that's a time machine. And that's my theory. So if you enjoyed listening to me, please hit the like button. If you have any ideas, please do share in comments. I would love to know. I really like to hear this kind of things from people who have very different ideas, because it just widens my thinking as well. So thank you so much for listening to me up until now. If you are listening, bye bye.